Hey everyone and welcome. Today I will show you working Topstep promo codes in 2024. Let's get started. First, search for this link in your Google and then click the first link or the second link. After clicking, go to that link and open it. Then scroll down to where the promo codes are. Here you will see the Topsteps promo codes and discounts for 2024. Just copy the code and then paste it on Topstep. Here's another way to get Topstep promo codes. Search for the same thing and then the different link. And here you have Topstep promo codes.